Okay, last one today. We got XLM Stellar. So again, looking for this buy entry, but did not break this zone. So there is no trade here. This does not want to go up yet. So we are not going to rush this. We'll let this just hang out forever if it wants to. If it doesn't want to break that zone, well, but some other things to take away from this. It did create, we don't know if this is valid yet, but it did create a zone here, which is above this one. So we'll see if price respects this area. I don't know if it will yet. There also is this area too now that price would have to break, which it never did. So looking for something like this, probably target the top of this zone. I think this is pretty significant. It would have to break. So this is what we're looking at now. You can see it did make a zone here. So this might, if price respects this area, then this zone is higher than this zone. So this might be our new lows kind of thing for the month. And then we're looking to target some higher highs, obviously, and break this zone and then break into this next one here. But we will not know until price hits this area. You can see there's also some wicks here. So makes sense that it would respect this area, but we'll see if it actually does. And then delete this for now. We don't need it. I think we'll just leave this intact here. I think all we can do is wait for Stellar here. And then, I think a buy position is definitely the way to go. It's very bullish. Price is way above this moving average. So this month has just been a little stagnant, hasn't done much. But we'll see if price respects this area and then go from there. If it hits this area, starts rejecting, we see some higher highs, some higher lows on these smaller time frames. I mean, obviously we need price to come into the zone and then cross over this 1 hour moving average, which would be ideal. And recently it's crossed over this 4 hour moving average to the downside, so that's not good. But you can see it's also creating some support here. So I mean, I do think it's going to break this area, obviously, but maybe it won't. Maybe it'll start rejecting. So that's something to look forward to. Probably nothing until Monday, though, to be honest. But we'll check back Monday and just see how it is. Maybe it hits this area. Maybe there's there actually is an area within this area that is a whole level. So 1, 3, 5. So because that's in there, I mean, price might hit this yellow line, and that might be that might be the end of the downwards movement. But we will have to see. We'll probably have to wait till at least Monday, see price hit this zone and see what it does after that. And then who knows, maybe it'll line up for us and it's worth the buy. I think as long as price hits the zone and starts making higher highs, I think it's a great buy. I think at least all the way up to here, around 1650 kind of thing. Probably, I'll even mark this out. Remember, price loves whole numbers, so there you go. So that is what we're looking at, but price gonna have to come down here and just kind of reject and go from there. I don't know what this line is for, why it's orange, but okay, so that is XLM, that is Stellar. That is all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and hopefully you're learning something. I love teaching economics. It took me a long time to learn. I still learn every day, so it's nice to be able to share this information with people and help change their lives. It doesn't matter where you live in this world. I mean, you can benefit from learning economics and learning basic trading skills and trading whatever assets you have access to, depending on where you are and what kind of currencies you have and stuff like that. So I mean, this is a skill unlike any other skill I can honestly think of. The ability to basically print money on demand. Once you inhabit the skill and you understand how markets work and you can buy and sell, you can take advantage of both sides of any market. So once you understand all that and you practice and you just gain that ability to trade. I mean, it's phenomenal. It's life changing. So I want that for everyone. So yeah, please just continue to let me know what you want to see and what you have questions with, and share the channel, like the channel, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And I'm going to continue to put out content in the next couple months. I'm going to get better and better. I'm going to change my setup and kind of just look to contribute more and more value. So that is all I got for today. Thank you so much, guys.